Stay safe, happy learning. Say no to theft of electricity for the first time every time. My name is Amarnath. I am a certified energy auditor. Inaccurate representation of a color in certain quality or variety of illuminant may cause difficult in road and railway traffic at workshops, that is industrial workshops, at your kitchen or at your bathroom. The inaccurate representation of color may cause serious accidents as well. In this video, we will learn the color rendering index of an object or rather a light source. Color rendering as defined by International Commission on Illumination is the effect of an illuminant on the color appearance of objects by conscious or subconscious comparison with their color appearance under a reference or standard illuminant. I repeat, color rendering as defined by International Commission on Illumination is the effect of an illuminant on the color appearance of objects by conscious or subconscious comparison with their color appearance under a reference or standard illuminant. The CRI of light source does not indicate the apparent color of the light source. Color rendering index does not indicate the color of the light source. The CRI is determined by light source spectrum. In the case of incandescent lamp, it contains continuous spectrum, and fluorescent lamp has discrete line spectrum, hence implying that incandescent lamp has higher color rendering index. So we can say that color rendering index is quantitative measure of ability of a light source to reveal the colors of various objects faithfully. It is measured between the score of 0 and 100, 100 being the best score. If color rendering index of a light source is 100, it means it is equivalent to the rendering index in daylight. Various objects, different colors of light source have different wavelengths and energy which is detected by us as difference in color. That's all in this video. Please check your subscriptions so that you don't miss next video from this channel. Thank you very much.